volcano. Yeah, that's probably it then. Oh no, chat, I can't do that. If you want to do it, you go ahead. Oh, there we go. I think there's rocks everywhere, it's just what they do on the island. Yeah. And there we go. Canary cache. Heading back, we found an oasis. Look at this. That's awesome, look. Little palm tree in the middle of nowhere. It's a pretty tree. This one's called the Oasis. Very cool. What was in there? Even though we're 12 metres off, never mind. Right, all signed and stacking back up. There we go. Get off my ass. Right, there we go. I think we'll call it a day before we frazzle. Right. Made it back to the car alive. We lost half the team on that one. Yeah, not on any rocks though, just in case. We're looking for a rock. Very suspicious. Yeah, you found one! In a piss container! Yay! Well done! I got your very first cache on tape, well done!
You got it on tape?
It's all worth it now, isn't it? There we go. Pitching. Look at that. Look at that view. Isn't it? Beautiful. Old dog, new tricks and all that. Isn't it? Well done. One on the northern coastal path. Yay! Just can't take him anywhere without dry stoning. That's 4 we found today. And 1 DNF. And lost one. Sure it is. Oh, it's a clip box! It's a clip box! It's a clip box! Yeah, that's a semi-proper one. Oh, yeah, that's good. Oh, wow. Was it in here?
Just there like that.
Another volcano. Another cache. Here, man. Go on then, man. Tell you what you want. Man. Bring back, love. Take what you want. Do you want to take it, man? Okay, you take the marble. Let Daddy have the log. Cheers, lovey. Yeah, that was worth it. Right, and it was under the rock. Yay! Now I've got to get down to the car. Somewhere over there, I can't see, it's too glary. There we go. Let's go. That's a 2.5 terrain rating. It's taking us half an hour getting down. The road gate or whatever it is, I don't know. I will.
We lost something.
There we go, and we just found, well, Grandad's just found a box.
What's this?
Oh.
What's this?
I don't know, babes. It's a puzzle, I think.
No, it's like lots of little things.
Nice views there.
Ah, we lost something.
Yeah, she keeps losing stuff out of there.
She always does.
I'm going to have that.
Alright. It's going to be dragging you around in a couple of weeks. Oh dear.
If we see Dad,
Yeah?
Dad, if we get another cache and it has toys in it.
Okay.